make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh
Come along as we explore the microscopic world with the entire family. Whether you're in a lab, a classroom, or in the comfort of your own home, let your imagination soar, especially when you think you've found a national treasure with Pluggable's digital USB microscope. With an easy plug-and-play experience, place anything on the observation pad and see things you've never seen before. With 2.0 megapixels and up to 250 times magnification, you'll be able to explore the world invisible to the human eye. Then, snap a photo using the capacitive capture button on the top of the microscope, even with the lightest touch. Pluggable's digital microscope is for students, collectors, and science enthusiasts with a passion for all things microscopic. Try it out and tell us all the cool things you can see. Works with any Windows, Mac, or Chromebook computer. Android and Linux require additional steps.